Tom Begg, said a little harsh voice. The tailor, scandalised, looked round to see if it was the child that had spoken, and it was. Whoosh, whoosh now, lie quiet, said the tailor, rocking the cradle with his foot, and as he rocked, he whistled the hymn tune louder. Drop now, Tom Begg, I tell you, and give us something light and handy, said the little fella back to him, meddling sharp. Or anything at all to please thee, said the tailor, whistling a jig. Said my lad, can thou dance anything to that? I can, said the tailor. Can thou? I can that, said my lad. Would thou like to see me dance? I would, said the tailor. Well, take that old fiddle down then, man, he said, and put the tune of the big wheel on it. I'll do that for thee and welcome, said the tailor. So the fiddle quits its hook on the wall and the tailor tunes up. Said the little fella, before thou begin to play, clear the kitchen for me. Chairs and stools, everything away. Make a place for me to step out to the music, man. I'll do that for thee too, said the tailor. He cleared the kitchen floor and then he struck up the tune of Wheels Over. And in a crack, the little fella bounced from his cradle onto the floor with a ch, and he began flying round the kitchen. Go, Tom, face your partner, heel and toe, does it well done, Tom, more power to your elbow, man. Well, Tom plays faster and faster, till me lad was jumping as high as the table, with a choo, up goes his foot on top of the dresser, choo, then on top of the chimney piece, and choo, bang against the partition, and then he was half flying, half footing it round the kitchen, turning and going that quick that it put a reel in Tom's head to be looking at him. And then he was whirling around for a clear space, even Tom himself, who by degrees gets up on the table in the corner and he plays wilder and faster as the whirling jig goes madder and swifter. Subtle cue for the fairy.